Hello, welcome to BIM Legal Advisory Services, your partner in growing your business. Are you starting a business or adding a subsidiary to your holding company? Here are 5 common legal mistakes that most entrepreneurs make when entering a market or entering into a new market. Here we go. Mistake number 1 is not having written contracts. Whether you are dealing with a client or a supplier, it is prudent to have contracts that are written and valid and enforceable within a court. WhatsApp conversations need to be substantiated by written contracts in the court of law. So in order for you to be able to assert your rights, make sure you have a written contract with all the parties involved within the project or engagement. Mistake number 2 that most entrepreneurs make is ignoring compliance requirements, right? You must comply with the legislative framework of the industry that you operate in, including labor laws, especially if you plan to hire, right? So many startups ignore compliance until it's already too late, until they've gotten a fine for PPIA compliance breaches. So a BIM legal advisory tip, right? Keep a legal compliance checklist and update it quarterly. If you need help drawing up a compliance checklist for your particular industry, reach out to BIM Legal Advisory Services and we will be able to assist you. The third mistake that most entrepreneurs make is getting templates for free off of Google. This can seem like a cost-effective way of solving a lengthy problem in the beginning. However, most templates online aren't tailored to South African legislation and framework. So in order for you to be able to enforce the contracts as well as make sure that you are using contracting that is relevant, make sure that you reach out to BIM Legal Advisory Services. Reason being is that tailor-made contracts that are specific to your particular engagement are far more cheaper than a lawsuit. Mistake number 4, believe it or not, is people ignoring intellectual property. What I mean by that is that your brand, your logo, your business model needs to be protected at all times from people doing the same thing that you are doing. Most startups and entrepreneurs only start responding once they see someone else taking over their name or their domain or something like that. Last but definitely not least would be skipping proper business registration. Too many entrepreneurs start trading without registering their business properly through the CIPC. Whether you're a sole proprietor or a partner, registration affects everything from tax to liability. So if you're serious about building a brand and registering your company, register it right through the CIPC. If you need help with registering your company, logo, idea, reach out to BIM Legal Advisory Services and we will be able to help you with your compliance issue. Avoiding these 5 mistakes will not only keep you away from risk. Let's try that again. So avoiding these 5 mistakes will not only keep you in a position of serious growth, but it will also protect your business. So if you need help with contracts, compliance, dispute resolution, starting your business legally, we are here for you. Reach out to bimlegaladvisory.co.za. Like, comment, subscribe below if you've experienced any of these 5 mistakes in your journey of entrepreneurship, and if you want us to cover anything in future videos, drop us a comment below. And don't forget to check the description for any additional resources.